Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can find the support section in the Viator application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the profile button at the bottom of the page on the right. And if you scroll down a bit, you will see the support section, and just click on the help button. And as you can see, there's a help center within the application where you can search for some specific problem that you have, or you can browse by topic and receive help on anything, on any problem that comes up. For example, if you have any problem on booking confirmation, just click on that. And as you can see, there's a very detailed description of the problem. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.